Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with the 300ZX, and we're gonna get started today with day 2. I'm Josue. This is my car, the 300ZX. Alright, so I clay bought the car. Right now the main area is already being prepped. Every single panel that I'm gonna wrap, I'm gonna clean the edges thoroughly before I wrap it. But the car has a lot of paint peeled up and a lot of rock chip. It wasn't noticeable with the dirt, but now without the dirt, you can see it. But for right now, we're gonna set you guys back on the tripod. I'm gonna get my brother in here and we are going to start measuring and cutting panels. That way when I want to wrap something, I'll just grab it from the box and put it, and it'll make the process that much faster. So alright, so you guys saw that. We got most of the panels cut. Look at this cardboard color. It's gonna be a big cardboard 300ZX. And the jokes have started. I don't really care. I like the color, and I'm gonna rock it for a couple months. Maybe about 6 to 12. You guys saw us cut everything out, and we're gonna do the honors and lay the first panel, which is always the hood. It always has to be the hood because that is the easiest panel on every car, pretty much. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we got the hood done. Let me show you guys real quick. Here it goes, how the hood looks. Don't mind all those little stains. That's just oil marks from our hands. Oily hands. The car, I love the color. It looks a lot better on the car, I'll give you that. I really do love the color. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and knock out both fenders. We're back with an update. Let me show you guys real quick what we've got done. Here it goes. We've got this door done, this front fender done, the hood, the nose piece, and the other fender. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the hatch. We're gonna go ahead and do this hatch right here. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Then we're gonna also do this piece. That way we can end up doing this rear quarter fender and the other quarter fender.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team.
Alright, quick update. So this is where I'm at. That's where we're gonna be leaving it off at. This side looks a little bit with more progress. We got the door done on this side, and all that bumper. This side just needs the skirt and the mirror cap, top of the roof pillars, stuff like that. And this side we just need to do the door. Actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that door, get that shit out the way.
Prove, staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man.
Alright, so we did the door. That's where I'm gonna leave it for today. What is up, guys? We are back, rocking the Limitless auto styling. We're back, guys. We're rocking the jersey. Nice little uniform. But this is how the car looks. Yes, we've got a lot more of it done. Tell me, is this overkill? The side mirrors, the door handle had to get wrapped. Looking crazy clean. I do have some rubbing issues right here. I don't know if that's a common issue with the 300ZXs. Gotta do a little bit more post heat for over here. But I don't know if that's one of the common issues, but that's how it is. I got the whole interior put back in. Check it out. Everything in there is put back in. Both doors are reassembled. The hood is reassembled. The fenders are back in. The only thing I have left to put back is the front bumper. And here goes this side. We've also got it ready and fully reassembled. So the only thing that I have left right now is the rear bumper, the front bumper, and I got a spoiler for the car. But that is going to be in a separate video. I'm not going to show you guys what it is. It could be the stock one. It could not be the stock one. I don't know. Just know that these spoilers for the 300ZX are expensive as fuck. My brother's just doing a little bit of post heat. This is what is left. And man, the color cannot look any better. And yeah. My car does look like it's a cardboard color, but who cares, man? That shit's just a beauty. What we are going to be doing right now
Google Limitless in the name of Pablo.
is we are going to be doing the rear bumper and the front bumper. So we're going to put you guys on the tripod. Get started with this time lapse and get these two knocked out because that's all I have left. That spoiler is going on next weekend. I'm gonna rock the car like this. Then I'm gonna shoot a video of me wrapping the spoiler. So let's do it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking.
We are done finally. It took me a process of 2 weeks. Between that time, I had work I had to do with when tinting a couple cars here and there, so that took time away from finishing this, but we finally got it done. This is how it looks. And if a lot of you guys are curious what it costs to wrap your car, if you want to do it yourself, 55 feet is key because you can get most 2 doors and 4 doors out of 55 feet. Total with this car, I was in about $500 and it took me 2 weeks to get it in and out and finish. But you can probably knock it out yourself in 4 days. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Also help us reach 45,000 subscribers. And remember, guys, it feels good to be lost in the right direction. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep